What is the key benefit of Cuscen manufacturing industry? Key benefits include improved resource management, so it optimizes the uses of personnel, machinery, and material to prevent production disruptions, balance resources, and to enhance productivity and resource costs. Resource lead time, so it provides real-time production information, eliminates any bottlenecks, and reduces cycle time to enhance deliverability and customer satisfaction. Improved collaboration enhances the cooperation, facilitates accurate demand forecast and production planning, and improves communication and resource areas. Efficient inventory management integrates with purchasing and inventory modules to ensure timely availability of material, lower inventory costs, and prevent stockouts. Improved cost control offers real-time visibility into production costs, identifies cost-saving opportunities, and enhances profitability and completeness. Improved quality control monitors quality in real time, ensuring high quality standards and reduced recalls, minimizing customer complaints.